Indigo MasterCard Review 2025 Best Credit Card for Fair Credit. You won't believe how accessible credit building has become in 2025. The Indigo MasterCard is designed for fair to limited credit, offering approval flexibility, credit reporting and rewards, but is it the best choice for you? The surprising truth is approval. Most people get this wrong by thinking credit cards require perfect credit. Indigo MasterCard is specifically tailored for individuals looking to improve their credit score while providing manageable limits. Responsible use can lead to higher credit lines over time. Another advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see clearly disclosed fees and rates, along with monthly credit monitoring tools. This card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you establish or rebuild a positive credit history. However, there are cons. Annual fees apply, and interest rates may be higher than premium cards. Rewards are modest, focusing more on credit building than cash back or travel perks. Also, applicants with very poor credit may still face denial. In conclusion, Indigo MasterCard in 2025 is ideal for those with fair or limited credit, seeking a practical credit building tool. While fees exist, the accessible approval, reporting to bureaus, and manageable limits make it a strong option for gradually improving financial standing and achieving long-term credit goals.